Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to install air intake filter for a 2017 Fusion Hybrid SC model. And today I elected to install the K&N high flow filter, part number 33-5001. And it's a pretty simple install. You get an 8mm socket, and I think it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts here. All right. Hey, these bolts are long. It's probably easier if you guys got a socket or one of a drill set and put a socket on the drill set, or some power tool, I mean. Now, I just purchased this car. I don't know the condition of the air filter, but I'll always do my basic maintenance, regardless if it's fairly clean, like the filter or the cabin air filter. I just want to change it so I know when I changed it, and I keep like a set interval on when to change my parts. Right, should pop loose. So this car has about 42,000 miles on it. Doesn't look too bad. Looks fairly new. Probably didn't really need to change it, but they put a motorcraft, so looks a fairly new filter. Here's the new K&N filter. I'm hoping that this filter provides better fuel economy, maybe 1 or 2 miles per gallon, but that'll be ideal. I gotta figure out which way. All right. And just install it there. Close this. And just put your screws back in. It's a fairly easy modification to do. Make sure you hold down the screw here and put your ratchet on. I don't think these are magnetic. You don't want to drop the screw. That could be a real inconvenience. And like I said, it's probably easier to use a power tool set. Low setting. You don't want to damage anything when you're screwing something back in. Actually, shoot, even the ratchet would have been easier than this. Damn, my back is killing me. I'm getting old. No need to over tighten them. And that's it. Took about, I'd say about 5 minutes. A pretty simple mod. You know, you want to do this. I usually do it once a year, or at least check it. And I know Ford has its own recommendation on intervals on when to check your air filter. But for me, I just check it maybe once a year. Just same with the cabin air filter. But until next time, guys, I'll have another video for the cabin air filter. All right.